Here we go, guys. Leaving HQ on another mission. Off we go to the peaks this time. And it's sunny.
Super excited.
When was the last time we had sunshine?
Thank you guys coming back to the channel, and I hope you had a good week. We are super excited for this one. We are meeting up with Modified Jeeps UK, so yeah, it's gonna be an amazing day.
Taking the views.
We haven't been to peaks before, haven't we?
No.
Oh my gosh.
Let's go.
Let's do it. She lives. The outside temperature is 6 degrees.
Excuse the air compressor. I think we've arrived.
It's looking all pretty and pretty.
Just having a little look what this is like before heading up.
Should be alright.
Should be alright. How does it look?
Oh, the trail you went up?
It's manageable, but just quite gnarly.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So it gets worse around the corner?
Not worse. There's some tippy points and some steppy points, but it should be okay.
I am excited already.
Got a lot of air to let out there.
Your numbers are? What are you going down to?
It's at 18.
18? I just found blueberries. Look. Oh, wild blueberries. This is so exciting. Christy is suddenly more excited about off-roading. Honestly, I didn't expect them to be here. They're tiny, they're very nice. When I was very little, me and my grandma used to go wild blueberry foraging every summer, and then we used to make jam. These things are absolutely like a gold dust to me. Bank is a little bit close to that dip in it. Molly doesn't nose yet. Gosh, what a glorious day. It's sunny, I'm surrounded by trails, good company. That's year 3 already. And blueberries. Can it get any better? Hello! Camera crew always is on the run. Everyone's like thinking, oh, it's so much fun to sit inside, you know, cruise around, do the trails. Meanwhile, girls on the run. Tiring. No, it's actually, we're loving it really. It's great fun. Did I hear that awful noise?
Keep touching the bottom.
You did?
Here's got spring hangers. Got worn out 31, so we're sitting pretty low.
Oh.
Can't wait for those 33s next week, eh?
Oh yeah. Look at these lakes.
Beautiful, huh?
That's gorgeous. Yeah.
There's a lot of traffic up here in the peaks.
Yeah, well, what we figured out, it's Sunday obviously, so probably everyone's out, so we've got hikers, walkers, people on bikes. Very, very busy, I must say. Peaks in itself seems like a very, very big area. It's apparently like about 550 square miles, isn't it?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, it's really, really pretty.
Britain's first national park.
Yes, and it's quite in the centre of England as well. So. Thank you.
Thank you.
Grinding. And we got some lunch station just look at that. Voila.
Alrighty guys, we're going to leave this one here for this week, but do join us next week where we continue this adventure and go in search of some of the more technical routes that the Peak District has to offer. Trust me, you're not going to want to miss it. And if you enjoyed this video, please do give us a like, subscribe if you're not already, and we'll be catching you very soon in next week's video. Thanks so much guys, ciao!